everyone, it's Missha. So today I've got a new palette to show you. I've only just received it and it is a Morphe 35C Everyday Chic or Chic. So I got an email that this palette was out, and when I looked at it I thought I really love all these colors. So it's like a day to night palette. It comes in this big plastic packaging, the usual Morphe packaging. The only thing I don't like is that you have names on this little plastic thing. I never ever like that. I wish they've just put the names under each shadow, and here are the shadows. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Like these two rows are very daytime. The middle one is a bit more funky. You have some purples, you have this eyeshadow which is sort of pressed glitter, and with these ones, you know, you're probably better off using them with glitter glue. I love all these greens here and really dark ones that you can do like a really smoky nighttime look. Shall we swatch some of them? So for example, I really love this beautiful pink which is Melt Hearts. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me swatch that. This is that pressed glitter one. You know, these ones are, you get fallout with them. You sort of have to press them on. Actually, it's quite sticky. When you press it on, it seems to stay okay. So you've got that. So let's swatch some of the matte ones. Feeling Pretty. That's a really gorgeous crease mauve color. That seems okay. Let's swatch this purple. There is this purple. Oh, you know I love my mauves and purples in a winter. That's going to be so gorgeous. Then you've got this brighter, darker, pearly purple here. What about greens? There is a nice, oh, that's nice. This dark, like a khaki green with pearl in it. It looks a bit duochrome, unless I had something on my finger. Yeah, so they look promising. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I should do a green one. Shall I do green look? I don't often do green looks. Let's do green. Okay, I am going to use this one just on the top of my eyelid, and this one is called Cheeky Out. Don't know if it's chic or cheek. Chic, I suppose. So I'm just going to apply it under my brow bone and right down to here where I'm going to be blending my eyeshadows. This doesn't seem to have much color. It might be because I'm tanned. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this very dark green. When I do dark looks, I like to start in this corner before I decide how to blend it out. It's just how I do it. And this is called Just Perfect. I am using Real Techniques shading brush because I didn't bring my favorite Hulu brushes down here. So let's see. I might have to go and get them because this brush is quite big. So I'm going to apply it right in my outer corner It's very dark. It's almost like a black green. Now I might have to go and get my other brush. There is my little Holo P66. So I'm just going to build it up and sort of go onto my bone here. The pigmentation is really good. So far it doesn't look too patchy. I quite like Morphe eyeshadows, you know, for the price they are really good. They are a bit hit and miss. I love my Jaclyn Hill, the original big palette. I really like that. Okay, I might take now that pearly green that I've swatched for you. What is that called? RSVP, yes. So it's this one. Take it on the same brush, just on the other side, and go over that darker green. Yeah, that made it really nice. Oh, it's very dark. Let's take a clean brush and just gently. Yeah, so this is going to be more of a night out look. Right, I've got here this beautiful, very pale aqua, well, like a mint green. What is this called? Have a Moment. Let's see what that is like. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. So I'm going to put it on my mobile lid. I reckon this one is best applied with your finger or with brush. I'm just going to use my finger. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that is. It's got a bit of fallout, this one. I might take like a little brush, wet it a bit, and use that light green in my inner corner. It's not really working that well wet, to be honest. I think this is the type that is best applied with your fingers. I'm going to pile this on because the more shine the better. A bit of fallout from that eyeshadow, but it's gorgeous. I'm going to work a bit more with that pearly green, which was called RSVPS, because I quite like it. Sort of melt it into that mint green. And now I am going to use probably this one up here to blend it out upwards. Just feel like you need another color to add. So I will use this one, which is called Feeling Pretty, or the next one, Cute Shoes. Sorry that I can't show you and tell you at the same time what color it is, but that's the problem when you have colors just written on piece of plastic. This palette was £24, which I think is amazing for, is it 35 shadows? Yeah, so you can't go wrong with that. This one is not showing much. Maybe that one would show better on a pale skin. Well, you can build it up. Let's now blend this darker green a bit higher into that, and I'm going to go sort of halfway in with it. Let's see if I can get any color with it just here. Yeah, I'm not wetting this brush at the moment, but yeah, it's a beautiful color, but it's not very creamy. It's okay when you apply it with your fingers, but with your brush you probably won't have much luck. That's the thing with Morphe. Some of these pearly shimmery shadows are absolutely amazing, like that pink here you can feel is very, very creamy. Now I'm going to apply this pearly green on the bottom of my lash line, because that matte one is very, very dark. I'm not getting much fallout from the matte and pearly eyeshadows, but that mint one definitely. You see, I quite like a dark green look, but I feel that this sort of look can turn looking a bit muddy. I like those aqua ones and minty greens, but the dark greens can sometimes look a bit muddy. Don't know what that looks like on your screen, but here it looks pretty good. Yeah, the fallout is quite bad, but I get that, you know, with some more expensive palettes, I get quite a big fallout from some of the shimmery ones. Okay, so I suppose that would be it. I just put mascara on, and that should be done. I'm going to use my NARS Climax first, as always. I'm going to top it up with the Casa Zeta-Jones, the Catherine Zeta-Jones mascara that I got. I like this mascara quite a bit. Okay, so that's the eyes done. Very, very nice look and different green. Now, what shall I use for my lips? You see, I was thinking that I would do some sort of mauvey pinky look, so I thought I would use pink lipstick, but now I don't know if it will be too much. Let's try it. I'm going to use the Rimmel Easy Liner for lips in Baby Berry. Then I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Dance Floor Princess. I suppose this is not like a pink in your face. Very nude lip would look nice with this. And for a bit of sparkle, let's top it off with the Wayne Goss Hibiscus. That would make you a bit more nude. There. Okay, my lovely, so this is the finished look. Let me know if you want me to do any more looks with that palette, because you can do so many. That's the thing, when I'm usually very neutral eyeshadow wearer, so I will wear like warm browns or cooler browns or mauves. But when I buy something a bit with a bit more color, I like to spend a bit less money, if you know what I mean, because I know, first of all, I'm not going to use it every day, and if I don't like it, then it's not such a big deal. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.